a great opportunity for girls to come in and learn more about the different work atmospheres and different work-related things with STEM.
This is fun! Got it.
And women are all teaching the different programs for the girls, so it's nice, that nice connection to see that women are actually out here doing it and what they can do and the different avenues that they can take.
Some of the girls were a little hesitant and afraid, and so I think it ends up that they are really empowered by this experience, and it gives them a lot of confidence.
Okay, got it.
Stuck a little.